Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to navigate the library page, how to get to the library online resources, and then how to check our catalog to see if we have a book before you come. So once we get to the main page here, we want to go over to the community tab, and then we're going to just hover over community and then bring your mouse down to click on library. Once we click on library, you'll see this here, online catalog. This is what all the books, this is where you can see, if we have a specific book, this is where all our books, are housed online that we might have in our library. So let's go ahead and click on here. So let's say your instructor wants you to do a little bit of research on birds. Let's click, let's put birds. As you see, there's a bunch of books over here on the left. But the important thing on this page is over here on the right. If it says 1 of 1 available, that means the book is in the library and should be available for checkout. But if it says 0 of 1 available, that means that one book is checked out and we don't have it in the library at this time. So that's the important thing about this page. So if you need to do a new search, just click on library search again. You can start all over, type in something else. So let's go back out here to the online library resources. This is where you'll do your research. Like if you need to do a research paper, you can get articles from here. So let's click here. So let's say we're in business. There's all these different programs, or whatever it is you're in. There's genealogy. So let's say we're in business. Let's go click on business. Let's see what resources they have. I know this one says South Dakota, and these codes are supposed to work for when you're at home accessing this from home. If for some reason you click on these links and these codes don't work, please let me know as soon as possible. So we're going to go to the Ebsco Business Source Premier. Let's click on that. Usually before this page, it would ask you for, what library. So you would just type in Sitting Bull College Library. And then it should pop up. Once you click on it, then it should take you to this. No, not this page. It should ask for a barcode and a password. So in that barcode, it should say username / barcode. So we're going to use a barcode. Our barcode number is 231-2500-1133-055. And our password is going to be all lowercase, no spaces. It will be SBCLIB. But I'll send that information out to Gabriella so she can share that with you via email. Because the screen won't pop up for me right now. So once we get to this page, after you have all that information put in, it should bring you to this page here. On the left hand side, we want to click on full text, scholarly. And then we want to click on, let's say, we need to do a paper on Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and type in Bitcoin. So there's all this information. Look at all these articles here. You can click any one of them. So let's go ahead and click on Bitcoin. Let's do this one here. We're going to click on PDF full text. So here's the paper that I'm accessing. So if you need to print this out, you can go ahead and print that out. You can save it to your Google Drive. If you want to download it, you click on this download here. There's 35 pages to this, so I don't know if you want to be printing 35 pages out. Also, if you're doing an annotated bibliography, over here on the left, you can click on detailed record. I don't know if the information will show up, but it should give you a date, volume, issue, page numbers. Sometimes you use that in your bibliographies. Also, there's cited references. Sometimes you might find something else that they didn't put in their paper relevant to what you want to talk about, so you can check on their references and see if you find any of those interesting. So that's how we search for papers. Pretty simple. Makes it easier when you know what you're doing, though. There's a couple more down here. Let's see here. Useful websites. Standing Rock census data. If you need some data to put in your paper about Standing Rock, maybe you're writing a paper that pertains to Standing Rock and you need some data, you can go ahead and use that link. Check it out. That's all we have for today. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day.